a problem about a triangle. Now, suppose measure of angle B is X, measure of angle A is Y. Find the measure of angle BCD, this one. Okay, so our answer is measure of angle BCD, this one again, is equal to the sum of X and Y. Here's the proof. In triangle ABC, we have measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle BCA is equal to 180. That is because the sum of the interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now, we also have another equation which is measure of angle BCA plus measure of angle BCD is equal to 180. That is because angle BCD and angle BCA are supplementary angles. For this, we can equate equation 1 and equation 2. So we have here measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle BCA is equal to measure of angle BCD plus measure of angle BCA. Knowing that measure of angle B is equal to X and measure of angle A is Y, we substitute them. So we have Y plus X plus measure of angle BCA is equal to measure of angle BCD plus measure of angle BCA. Now we can observe in both sides of the equation that we have measure of angle BCA. So if we take away measure of angle BCA from both sides of the equation still holds. So we have here measure of angle BCD is equal to X plus Y. So in the figure, angles A and B are remote interior angles of exterior angle BCD. This means that the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles of a triangle. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something from this.